Hello, good morning students. Children, in inexhaustible resources, we are now going to discuss about solar energy. Solar energy, I hope you all know about it because in school you know that our electricity is generated through solar panels. You all have seen solar panels in your school, isn't it? And you have seen an area where those panels are being placed as like roof on the roof, and you have the panels which generate electricity through sunlight, and this electricity help us to run our fans, tube lights and computers or other apparatus in our school. So children, sunlight, as you know, is used nowadays as solar energy, as to produce electricity, because this is an alternative way of producing electricity. Children, as you know, those exhaustible resources like coal, petroleum or diesel or other resources which produce electricity is becoming less day by day because they are non-renewable resources. So we are all trying to find out other alternative source of energy which can produce electricity. So in this way we are producing electricity through solar panels, even cooking food. Have you seen solar cookers? Okay, you must have not seen, but solar cookers, in this you put your dal, sabji and keep it in the sunlight. But it has to be in the daytime when you have sunlight, otherwise you cannot cook the food at the night. You have to get sunlight, and in this way those your dal and your rice, they get boiled. Okay, so in this way solar cooker is used. People also use water heater, and that also can be run through solar panels. In the terrace of the houses or many hotels, because they need lot of hot water, geysers, and so these are run by solar panels. As you know, sunlight is very important for us. Think about children, if there is no sunlight, only night, had it been there any life? No. So life exists because there is heat and light. Sunlight is very important. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food, called photosynthesis. You know that they tap sunlight. So even human beings, without heat, without light, you cannot survive. It had been dark, impossible. If there is no heat, plants will not grow, animals cannot survive, we cannot dry our clothes, and everything. Means without that light and heat, the life cannot exist. So that's why sunlight is very important, and nowadays this sunlight is used for other purposes also, to generate electricity, to cook food, to heat the water, etc. Okay, so the energy of the sun is called solar energy. The energy we get from the sun, the heat and the light of the sun, is called solar energy. Plants make food using this energy, as you know. Plants, that's why plants, they prepare their food in the daytime. It gives us light and heat. It is also used for lighting the streets. Even solar panels are used for street lights. Okay, street light. Actually, you tell me that how the lights function at night. Children, that sunlight, it's tapped and it is stored, and that they run the battery and the panels at night also. Light streets, cook, heat, water, heat the water generating electricity is also done nowadays. Even solar, with the help of solar energy, they are trying to run vehicles also. So in this way, solar energy, which is an inexhaustible resource, which is a renewable resource, because sunlight we get every time, that is very useful and can be used as an alternative source of energy for producing electricity, especially electricity and running the machines and other things. So solar energy is very important for us. Thank you.